US dollar gives back some of its gains. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNest, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The euro has initially fallen against the US dollar, but then turned around to show signs of strength again. The 1.08 level looks very much like a short-term floor in the market, and as long as we can stay above there, I think the euro has a real shot at staying somewhat strong. The 1.09 level, of course, has been important also, but I think you have to look at this through the prism of a market that will be very noisy. I do think eventually we try to test the highs again at the 1.0950 level. A move above there then opens up the possibility of a move all the way to the 1.12 level. I do think this is eventually what we will see play out here, as it has been so inherently strong as of late. On the other hand, if we were to turn around and break down below the 1.08 level, then it's possible that we could drop to the 200-day EMA. The US dollar has initially rallied against the Japanese yen, but it is starting to show weakness again. The 150 yen level seems to be a pretty significant barrier, so as long as we are below there, I assume that we stay somewhat muted. If we could get a daily close above the 150 yen level, then I think ultimately you have a shot at making a few moves to the upside, possibly even as high as the 200-day EMA and then the 155 yen level. On the other hand, if we turn around and break down below the 147 yen level, then I think we go looking to the 145 yen level, given enough time. The Australian dollar has dropped a bit during the early hours, but it is starting to gain some of those losses back against the US dollar, as we are in the middle of the overall consolidation area between the 0.62 level on the bottom and the 0.64 level above. With this being the case, we're right dead in the middle. So I think this is going to continue to be very sideways and more or less a short-term back and forth trading type of environment. My name's Chris. I work for FXEmpire. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more analysis.